Do you guys know what is Ramadan?
Nah.
You don't know what's Ramadan?
Nah.
You don't know where it comes from? Nothing?
Nah.
Oh my goodness.
You know what Muslims are?
Yeah.
What are they?
They don't eat bacon.
What do you know about Ramadan?
I don't know anything about Ramadan.
Do you know that?
What, you guys supposed to fast or something?
Yeah, we're supposed to fast for 30 days and we can't eat from sunrise till sunset. Do you know why they do that?
No, why?
They do that because the homeless people on the street who starve every day. It's a reminder for Muslims and to the human beings to get the feeling and how they.
Their shoes to see how it feels.
Oh.
We don't starve ourselves or nothing, but yeah, that's what it's for.
How many meals a day do you eat?
I just eat 1 or 2 the most.
1 or 2 meals a day?
Yeah, that's what I try.
And yeah, when Muslims fast, they get the same feeling as you guys, just to see how you guys feel. Because we're spoiled a lot, the people out there. So
when they have money, they don't care. Just like that, that's the reason of Ramadan. We have to get into other people's shoes and feel their pain.
So basically, it's like you're fasting. Like
Yeah,
it's yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So, but yeah, we got you a shirt and we're giving something. So, thank you so.
Do you know what Muslims are? Muslims?
Muslims, yes.
Do you know their holiday?
The holiday?
You don't know what Ramadan is? You don't know how?
Ramadan.
Yeah.
You spell it on the wrong way. The Ramadan.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, but
What is it?
also we have a lot of Muslims.
What do you do?
1 month you can eat and drink in the day. You have to do it after a certain hour in the night.
Sun is going down.
Yeah.
No alcohol.
No alcohol, no eating, no drinking. Could you handle all that? Could you handle all that?
No, I don't like this.
What do you mean?
Ramadan.
You don't like Ramadan?
No,
Why not?
because it's medieval.
What do you mean?
We are in a free developed country.
Yeah.
France is the country of liberty. And there's a big problem that because the Muslims try to influence the French people to do also like that.
But Ramadan, it's not. If they influence you, it's not they're forcing you. They're trying to help you to be a better person. Because when you're Ramadan, yeah, it's healthy.
Me also, because I'm fat.
But the thing is, it's good for your body, and we don't do it just to starve ourselves. We do it for the homeless people who are poor. They get starved. They get hungry every single day, right? So we don't do it to be evil, or we don't tell them to do it.
It can be done in a good way. Somebody who believes in this religion.
It isn't a good. We're never evil. We're never it's a good way.
In Buddhism, they do it also to get pure. It's not belongs only to the Muslims.
All right, so we're with these cool dudes over here, and we want to ask them, do you guys know what is Ramadan?
I mean, I know Muslims celebrate a special day. Our brothers, and we support them. Yeah, that's all I know.
Do you know what's Ramadan?
Well, I think it's like the Christmas of Muslims, you know what I'm saying, when they kind of go on a fast.
Yeah.
Ramadan is when you don't eat or drink from sunrise to sunset for 30 days.
When we told you that we're Muslim, we fast. What comes to your mind? What do you think we do it for? What do you think we do it for?
Well, to actually talk to Allah.
What do you think? Because some people think that we just do it to starve ourselves.
I fast too. I'm a Christian. I fast too, so I understand the connection.
But we do it for the less fortunate, the homeless people out there who starve. They starve every single day, so we have to get a taste of that too,
Actually, where I'm from Africa, Ghana. This is what they do. Out there, they'll kill like a cow, a big bull, or like.
That's for Eid, son.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? And they'll call people to come have some food, which I think is pretty cool because, for them to starve themselves to give the food that they want to eat to some people.
What would you tell to the Muslims out there that are fasting and they're watching right now? What would you like to tell them?
Well, Allah is in command. Allah will do anything. And He's beneficent. He's like the one that created everything. What you don't know, if you can't understand it, just leave it at that. And that is a great thing they do. The Ramadan is just something that we normal people cannot do. Even Christians, we can't do that. So that's like a plus of our whole civilization has come to. And living in America, you know how...
You're making me thirsty, man. You're making me thirsty. I'm fasting, man. You can't be drinking in front of me like that. It's Fanta, man. I want a Fanta. Thank you so much. Have a great day, man. Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care. All right.